welcome back to Candace F Creates, and I am Candace, and we are doing the April 2025 Christmas All Year Round Hop, and I am so happy that you are here to join me. So I am slowly. It's been a really slow road. Like ever since I've had to go back to work full time, it's been really hard getting in here. I swear to God, I keep saying I'm going to do better. I'm going to do better. But yeah, but I'm slowly starting to get get myself back together. I recently bought some craft supplies. I'm just waiting for them to come. Some new stamp sets from Honeybee Stamps. I got the recent April deluxe caboodle from Spellbinders, and I ordered some stuff from Scrap Diva Designs that should be here within the next week or so because one of the products has sold out. So, but for April's Christmas all year round, I am working with the stamp market. I had these for at least a year now, and I never worked with them. So this was like one of my goals to use the products that I have, even though I know I bought some stuff, but that was stress shopping, so that don't count. But I did use what I something that was old that I had in my collection. So we are using the what is this one called? This one's called I think it's down here. Yeah, the Mega Mailbox stamp set. This actually goes with another die, but I used it with this one, which is the Mailbox gift card. Okay, this is very cute. It was very easy to put together. And so that's one of the things that we need, especially during Christmas time, is something to put our gift cards in. I'm actually going to do some more of not only this version, but I have a die set that I have from Scrap Diva, and I want to see. I know it's big enough, but I want to see if it's big enough for a gift card. That may be my project for next month. We'll see. But this is the mailbox gift card when you put it together. It's really cute. You do have to cut this piece out twice, and then when you putting it together, um on one of the pieces you're going to cut off this end here, and then when you fold this in, you're not going to attach it to the second piece, but you're going to add glue just on the edges because you need to be able to put your insert in there. Okay, so this is how it came out. Gift cards I like to keep simple because I don't anticipate people keeping this, but for the holly and for the cranberries, I cut that out in white, and then I used my tri blend markers. This one is the light green blend, and I used the dark red blend to color these in. I thought this came out really cute. Then I used my white gel pen just to add some highlights on the berries. And because all of this is red, I wanted to create some separation there. Then for the dies, I cut out this die here with this to make a little envelope. I use the honeybee stamps. Let me grab it for you. I use the honeybee stamps gingerbread village for the paper. And then I did glue this to the top, having the little envelope come out. And then when you bring this out, it's going to reveal your gift card. Now, what I was trying to figure out is how do they do it so that you don't see the gift card through the thing. That's why I put the envelope right there. But I'll figure that out eventually. Okay, make sure this is getting in there correctly. So yeah, so this is why you only want to do the edges, so that way you can get this in there. Now I did originally I did stamp the sentiment onto the mailbox, but I apparently used um the wrong embossing powder. I used snow, and this one I thought it was gonna come out bright white, but it didn't. So I just redid it on red, and this is texture cardstock. That's why it looks like this. Um, so then here we go. So then I got out my Pink and Main frosting embossing powder. Um, did my embossing, and then I added it on top of the original embossing there. Okay. So this came out really cute. It's really quick. So you could definitely make a bunch of these up really quickly and just have it waiting for Christmas time to come around. And you could also use this die not just for Christmas, but you can use it for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, any kind of time you want to give a gift card. And so really cute. I really enjoyed making this project. It was really nice to be able to come in my craft room and just sit down and create in one pass and not having to do something little by little. So thank you for joining me. Now, don't forget, this is a hop, so don't forget to check out what our other ladies are doing for the hop. Their YouTube channels are down below in the description bar. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out because I think I'm maybe like 40 something subscribers away from getting to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, so I'm working on those goals. So alrighty guys, thank you so much. Till next time. Bye bye.